Price fixing is an illegal practice where companies conspire to control the cost of goods instead of letting the market decide. At its heart, price fixing is about secret agreements between competitors to avoid true competition. There is no legal defense for this. Antitrust regulators like the Federal Trade Commission monitor the market to prevent these unfair schemes. Companies might agree to keep prices high, limit production to create artificial scarcity, or carve up territory so they never compete. In a healthy market, businesses compete for your dollar. In a fixed market, the consumer loses that power entirely. When competitors stop competing, prices often rise significantly above what they would be in a transparent, open market. Remember that antitrust laws exist to ensure that the economy remains open and fair for everyone involved. Understanding these concepts helps you recognize unfair market practices. Check back for more basics on how our economy works.